12 people have been injured due to turbulence on a Qatar Airways flight from Doha to Dublin. 8 of those passengers had to be taken to hospital after landing in Ireland. It comes just 6 days after a man from South Gloucestershire died due to extreme turbulence on a Singapore Airlines flight. Our reporter Louisa Pilbeam has more.
Passengers and crew on board this Qatar Airways plane were launched into the air and objects thrown across the cabin. Some of those who landed in Dublin said the seatbelt signs were off when sudden turbulence hit.
We just felt the plane dip for about 5 seconds, and next to us we saw the flight attendant just go up in the air and come straight back down.
To have the seatbelt signs on, they were off. Next minute, whoa, dinner came off my lap. Yeah, just food all over the plane.
I had my seatbelt on, she didn't.
And he had his arm around me and held me down.
And I saw people 2 rows ahead flying up in the air about a metre and then drop down.
When the plane landed in Dublin, it was met by emergency services. 12 passengers and crew were injured. The incident comes less than a week after a British man died on a flight from London to Singapore, and 20 people were left in intensive care after extreme turbulence.
We know that one of the effects of climate change is that it's generating more turbulence in the atmosphere, whether that's turbulence associated with storms or flying over a mountain, or invisible turbulence in these atmospheric currents called jet streams. They're all projected to increase because of climate change in the future. However, I would stress that turbulence is very rare. Only 0.1% of the atmosphere has severe turbulence in it.
Qatar Airways told the BBC that a small number of passengers and crew sustained minor injuries and are receiving medical attention, and said an internal investigation has begun. Louisa Pilbeam, BBC News.